Hey guys, my name's Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have an Asus Vivobook 16, the X1605 model. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access, and replace your Wi-Fi/Bluetooth card. So first thing guys, power down your computer the correct way. Make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to go to the bottom case where we can take out your screws. So as you see here, you've got 4 screws along this bottom edge. You've got 2 screws here, 2 screws here, and 2 screws in the middle, giving you a total of 10 screws. After all those screws are removed, you're going to take a small, flat, preferably plastic pry tool. I say plastic because they tend to scratch your cases a little less than metal ones do. But you're going to take it and go around the outside edge, the seam, between the bottom case and the palm rest, and gently but firmly pry the bottom case off from your computer. Now, don't put the pry tool too far in. You could damage some internal components. Keep it on the edge. And if you get stuck in one place, leave it, go to the other edge, and work your way around in the other direction. This one wasn't too difficult to take off, just so you're aware. After you get your bottom case off, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a quick side point with computer repair, guys, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging things in your computer when you're working on them. If you need any help with any tools or supplies for your computer projects, there'll be a link above, also below in the description, to the tools and supplies that I would use on this model computer, as well as all the replacement and upgrade parts for this specific model Vivobook. Now, one thing I do before touching anything in a computer, guys, I either remove or at least unplug the battery. A computer is safer to work on when as little power as possible is running through it. So here's your battery right here along the bottom. To get this battery up, there's 4 screws, and it's plugged into the motherboard right here. Now, if you see in your plug, guys, there's a metal part right on top that holds down the plastic plug. So to get this off, you're going to slide that metal part up to free this up, and then you can snap that right off, up and off of your motherboard to get that battery out. Okay, so now that the battery has been removed or at least unplugged, we can proceed deeper into the computer. This is your Wi-Fi card right there. There's a single screw in the center holding it down, and these black and white wires here are your antenna wire. Those just snap off straight up and out of the computer. They're just snaps. And they run down here around your fan, down here to your antenna there, and your antenna there. To get those back on, they do have to be at a straight, perfect 90-degree angle to snap those back on. And if they're not at the correct angle and you push too hard, you can damage them. So just be patient getting those back on. It can take a little bit if you're not used to it, but you can snap those back on if they're at the correct angle. After that, you can pull it out of this port right there. And I will have some replacement options below in the description in that link I told you about with all the replacement parts. I will have a couple different Wi-Fi card replacement options. I'll also include the Wi-Fi specs below in the description if you guys want to search for your own replacement or upgrade. Last thing I think I can shout out, if you are having Wi-Fi problems in your laptop, it's possible that your card is bad and needs to be replaced. In that case, hopefully this video will help you out. But it's also possible something else is happening and your Wi-Fi card is okay. If you guys need help troubleshooting why your Wi-Fi is not working, there'll be a video link above, also below in the description, to troubleshoot Wi-Fi not working in this computer. So I hope that helps if that's what you're facing. If not, this is just a quick tutorial video on how to access the Wi-Fi card in this model computer. So that's the video, guys. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, check out the FAQs below in the description. It could save you some time getting an answer. If you do need to leave me a question or comment, please do. I do try to get to those a couple times a day at least. To support the channel, please remember to like and share. Subscribe if you enjoy this type of DIY tutorials. And for those of you that want to support the channel a little further, you can always leave a small donation, and there's a couple ways to do that. First, right below the video to the right-hand side, you'll see the Super Thanks button. You can click on that. You can select a tip amount here. Second way, you can use your Cash App. Find me at $PC Helper. You can leave a dollar amount, and you can even leave a little note. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video.